Ever seen someone less experienced get promoted while you are still waiting? They were the smartest or the most qualified, but they acted like a leader long before they had the title. And that's the key. Leadership is a behavior, not a position. You don't have to wait for a title to start showing up like one. Let me give you 5 ways to lead even if you are not a manager. Way number 1, be the clarity in the chaos. When things get messy, most people add confusion, leaders simplify it. Try this communication style. Here is how I am understanding this. Are we aligned? It shows initiative and emotional steadiness. Way 2, lift others publicly. Notice the great work. Say it in meetings. Tag them in updates. The best leaders make others feel seen long before they get seen themselves. Way 3, speak in solutions. I'll give an example. Instead of this isn't working, say like this. Here is what I suggest we try instead. This builds trust and positions you as someone who moves things forward. Way 4, take ownership, not just tasks. Anyone can complete a checklist, but leaders ask, what's the outcome we are chasing and how can I drive it? By this, you stop being a doer and you start being a driver. That makes all the difference. Way 5, elevate the energy. Leadership isn't just about performance, it's about presence, positivity, thoughtfulness, and most importantly, responsibility. People start treating you like a leader because they feel better when you are around. And if you can do this, it will transform the whole thing. Now, if you're ready to go from just a contributor to someone leadership sees as indispensable, I've got something for you. It's called the Act Like a Leader Pack. Inside that, you will find 5 word-for-word scripts to show leadership in meetings, templates for cross-functional updates that boost your visibility, real case studies of professionals who got promoted before they got the title, and you will learn how to influence without authority and get recognized for the leader you already are. If you want it, just drop a message in the comment section saying, send me the Act Like a Leader pack and I will send it your way. Because here's the truth. If you wait to be told that you are a leader, you will keep waiting. So, rather than waiting, start acting like the one, and the title will follow. And if you're serious about building this influence, coaching will help you accelerate the journey. Let's talk about it. Let's build the presence and confidence that makes leadership start paying attention faster. Say this forward. Someone in your network is playing small. When they're ready to lead big, this could be their moment. It was great talking to you. Until my next video. Bye-bye.